Keep your critical operations moving with Zebra's durable ZT400 series printers. Available in 3 print resolutions, 2 print widths, and options such as media handling and an RFID encoder, they are ideal for a wide range of applications. Designed for harsh and demanding environments, the ZT400 is constructed with an all-metal frame and enduring print head, so you can print with reliability for years to come. Featuring a large color touch display, the intuitive interface enables you to make quick settings changes, see printer status at a glance, and create custom shortcuts. Intuitive to operate, the side-loading supplies paths makes media and ribbon loading simpler and faster. You can configure your ZT400 printer easily with a variety of versatile connectivity options. Zebra ZT400 series, elevating your workflows and driving efficiency.